Hi. Welcome to my channel, Mr. AR. In this tutorial I will show you the complete and simple process of installing Windows 10 from a bootable USB drive. And will also show you the complete steps to make the USB drive bootable. But make sure that you have a complete backup of your data in previous installed Windows, as installing new Windows will erase all your data. Before starting the video, please like and share my video to support me so that I can further make related content for you. And do not forget to subscribe my channel.
Before we continue, we need to check that which type of operating system we are using, whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit operating system. To do that, go to My Computer. Right-click on the empty area, click Properties. Here you will be able to see that which operating system you are using. In my case it is 64-bit. Remember yours, as you will download 64-bit Windows setup for 64-bit operating system, and same will be with the 32-bit ones. So let's get started by following our initial step, in which we will download our Windows 10 ISO file. For this, go to any of your browser. I am using Chrome for this purpose. Click on your search bar and type Windows 10 ISO file up to down. And press enter. Without wasting any time, click on the very first web link. Then click latest version button, and then click download. Your file will start downloading. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. As I have already downloaded the ISO file, so I will skip it. Now, following the second step, we will download Rufus, from which we will make our USB drive bootable. For this purpose, again go to your browser, and click the search bar. Type Rufus download. And press enter. Again, without wasting any time, click the very first web link. This will redirect you to the official site of Rufus. Scroll down to the download section. While scrolling down, you will see some explanation about Rufus. In the download section, click the Rufus 4.1.x. By this you will be able to download the Rufus software to make your USB bootable. In the third step, we will make our USB drive bootable. For this you will need a USB drive with minimum 8 GB of storage. Insert the USB drive. After that, open the Rufus software which we had recently downloaded. In the Rufus interface, under the device heading, select your USB drive. In my case it is selected by default. Now after that, under the boot selection heading, click select. Now you will select the ISO file of Windows 10. Locate the ISO file where you have downloaded it and select it, then click open. Your ISO file will be selected. Now after that, under the partition scheme heading, click GPT and change it to MBR. Other options remain as default. Under the status heading, click Start. This will start the process of making your USB drive bootable, from which we will install our Windows. Now this will take some time, so be patient. I am increasing the speed so that your time shall not be wasted. After the process is completed, click Close, and now your USB drive becomes bootable. Now in the fourth and last step, we will install our Windows 10. Please watch the complete video so you can completely understand the procedure. Firstly, shut down your PC or laptop. Insert the USB drive which we made bootable. Power on the PC and press the boot sequence hotkey. If you do not know your hotkey, you can check it on the internet by typing your motherboard brand. After pressing the hotkey, drives window will appear. Select your USB drive which we made bootable. Then it will start processing. The loading may take some time. Remember, installing Windows takes time, so be patient. The installing process will start. You will see a window named Windows Setup. Select your language, time and currency format, keyboard or input method, then click Next. Then click Install Now button. Now wait a little. Activate Windows will appear. If you have a product key, then enter that key, and if not, then click I do not have product key. Then select the Windows you want to install. In my case, I am selecting Windows 10 Pro, then click Next. Now in the license term window, check the box I accept the license terms and click Next. Now select Custom Install, and select the drive. If you want to make partitions, you can make here, then click Next. Now your Windows installation shall start, and it will take some time. Again, I am telling you to be patient. You can skip a little, and I am also increasing the playback speed. It will also restart about 2 to 3 times, so don't worry. Now select these that you prefer, your name, password, some security questions, etc. Now after some loading, you are good to go. And your Windows 10 is installed. I am really sorry that my camera in the video was not steady, as it is my beginning and have no stand for the camera. But we'll soon buy one for you guys and we'll upload more content for you. Next, if you want to activate your Windows, tell me in the comment section. I will make a new video regarding activation of Windows. Till then, bye. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.